Hello! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Molly Malloy and I teach 5th grade in Southern California. I am also a mama to 2 kiddos. I have my daughter Madison, who is 3 years old, and then my son Oliver, who is 17 months. I just dropped them off at daycare for a half day, and I thought it would be fun to take you along with me for my day. I just stopped by Starbucks and got a pink drink. This is my favorite drink from Starbucks. I'm actually not a coffee drinker, and so it's really the only thing that I get from Starbucks. I love their pumpkin bread too, but I got hooked on it this year when my student teacher Bree, she used to get Starbucks in the morning before school some days, and ever since that, now I am hooked. Today is Tuesday. Since my kids are at daycare today is the day that I can get some work done. So I'm editing a YouTube video for you guys. And I'm also going to show you just what I've been getting in the mail recently. I have some new books that I got that I'm super excited about, as well as a couple new cute teacher tees. Okay, so it's 11:17. I've been working on video editing all morning and replying to comments. I just went and grabbed a snack from the fridge. I love these. They're cheddar cheese, roasted almonds, and dried cranberries. I just picked them up at Target. I think Costco has them too, but they're so good, and I love them for a quick, easy snack. So it is 11:40 and I've been working on editing and other things all morning. Also been Marco Poloing a couple of my friends. I don't know if you guys have the Marco Polo app, but it is like addicting. I love it. I'm on there all the time. It's like a video messaging app. I guess it's like Snapchat a little bit, but I don't really use Snapchat. So I love Marco Polo, but I am about to go record a video. I'm going to be sharing some of my students' favorite graphic novels from our classroom library. And then after that, I will share some of the things I've gotten in the mail recently that I am super excited about. Also, before I go into the other room, look at how fun this coaster is. I made it with my Cricut. I shared about it over on Instagram a while ago. One sec, let me grab the other ones to show you too. Okay, here's the other one. I think this one's my favorite. Just one more page. And then I have this one too that says Eat, Read, Sleep, Repeat. And I love these so much. I'm super bummed. I had a 4th one that was super cute, but Oliver dropped it and it broke. So I'm gonna make more of these, so I think I just need to order some more of these coasters. But it's their like infusible ink. And look at, like, it doesn't even look like there's anything on it. It's so cool because it looks like it was just professionally made, but I made it at home. All right, this is where I film my YouTube videos. It's just my bedroom. I do not have an office in my house, and then this is the best lit room in my house. So I just move in the console table from our entryway, and then I put this cute plant up on a little stand and then bring in a chair from the kitchen table. So there you go, super professional setup. All right, I am on my way to pick up my kids right now. It's about 12:50 and I have to be there by 1. Thankfully, their daycare is super close to our house. It's nice because it does not take that long for me to get to and from, but I almost finished filming my video earlier. I still have a little bit left to do. After I put the kids down for their nap later on today, I will film the rest of it. is 11:40 and both my kids are down for their naps. Well, Oliver's asleep, Maddie's trying to fall asleep. Oliver is not super consistent with his naps. So sometimes he will sleep for an hour, sometimes he will sleep for 2 hours. So we just kind of play it by ear and see what happens. We were going to have a popsicle party in the backyard before they went down for their naps, but Oliver was really tired, so I put him down, and then we're gonna have popsicles when they wake up. So right now I'm gonna make myself lunch real quick, and then I will show you what I've gotten in the mail recently. I am like super simple when it comes to lunches. I just like quick and easy. So what I've been loving lately is these little sandwich thins. And then I've got turkey and provolone cheese. And that's it. I just make a sandwich with those 3 things. It's super quick and easy lunch for me, especially when I am working and just want to eat something real quick. All right, I just finished eating lunch. The kids are still napping. Well, Oliver's napping, Maddie is talking, but that's okay. She's still in her room having quiet time, but I wanted to share some of the things that I've been getting this past week and a half that I'm super excited about. And the first one literally just got dropped off on my porch step, and it is this gorgeous sweatshirt from Old Navy. How cute is that? My friend Montana from Teaching and Uplifting posted about it, and I ordered it right away. Like I mentioned in one of my previous videos, I ordered a couple white sweatshirts from Amazon because I wanted to tie-dye my own sweatshirts, and then I'll talk a little bit more about the dye in just a second. But anyway, while I was waiting to do that, I thought it would be fun to order a tie-dye one that was already done. I'm super excited. It's super soft. Let me try it on for you real quick. But yeah, I especially love that the top color is like this pinky color, because you guys know I love pink. So yeah, I love it. I love how it fits. It's like super like a good length, and yeah, love the sweatshirt. So next thing, speaking of tie-dye sweatshirts, is this dye kit. So I, on Amazon, I wanted to order tie-dye. It was out. I was waiting for it to get back in stock, which obviously probably wasn't the best decision since everyone's buying tie-dye right now. So I eventually placed an order for 2 different tie-dye kits, and I just figured I'd wait and see which one got back in stock first. And so this is one of them. It's the Tulip brand. So I placed an order for this one, and then another Tulip one, but one that had a whole bunch more colors, because this one does not have pink. It only has red, which I love pink. I've got to have pink in my tie-dye. So this one arrived first. The other package I'm waiting for, they keep pushing it back. So it was actually supposed to arrive today, and then it just got pushed back again to, I don't know, this weekend maybe. We'll see. So I might run out and see if I can find some in store, but since I'm not really going out to a lot of stores right now, I was hoping to get some online. So I'm super excited. As soon as I get my other tie-dye kit and get to actually tie-dye my sweatshirts, I will for sure share the results with you. All right, the next thing I got is this super cute teacher tee from East Nash Teacher. And when I posted a picture, I have a sweatshirt that is similar from Lipstick and Littles. And when I posted that on my Instagram account, someone else commented and said that they just got one that was similar, but with pinks. And so I went and looked it up and I got this. I actually got another shirt from her too, but that one hasn't arrived yet. So I will share that when I get it. I live in teacher tees. I wear them all the time. And so I'm super excited for this one and then the other one that's arriving. And then speaking of teacher tees, I also ordered this. My friend Chelsea, hipster art teacher, is so amazing. I love like everything she does. And she partnered with the Right Stuff Chicks to come out with a tea of the month. So every month she is coming out with a new different like teacher tea. And the other thing that's super cool about the tea of the month is that they said that they will always send like a little extra something in your box. And so in this box, they sent these cute little Alex and Annie, let me check them out, rainbow earrings. How fun are those? I do not usually wear like little studs. I love like big earrings, but I think this would be super fun for like some rainbow themed thing or something like that because they're super, super cute. So I love that. That was like such a nice surprise that I was not even expecting. And then her t-shirt that she designed, it says, "Look for the rainbow in every storm." So I thought that was super cute and I can't wait to wear this to teach in and just around the house, honestly. All right, so that was, I think, everything other than books. My next few things are books that I want to share with you. And then this first one is by Grace Byers. This is her I Believe I Can. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I just shared about her other book on Instagram the other day, and this is her second book, I Believe I Can, and it's super cute. It's like I can sail like mighty ships, I can stretch, and so it keeps talking about different things that like I can do, and it's using similes again, just like her first book, and I love it. I also talked on Instagram how I watched an interview with her and she talked about how she really wanted to represent all kinds of different kids from different ethnicities in her books. And so I just love how diverse all of the characters in the pictures are. So that's I Believe I Can by Grace Byers. The next book that I got is I Am Human by Susan Verde, and then the art is by Peter Reynolds, and I love their books that they have. And so this is another great one that talks about like how like each person is unique and different feelings that we have, that like different feelings that we have, both good feelings, but then also how we can like be hurt or we can hurt others and how we are not perfect. And so I just love the message of this book so much. So I Am Human. And then the last book that I got is Hair Love. And I'm super excited about this book. This is a really, really sweet story about a girl, Zuri, who, I'm gonna show you some of the pictures, who loves having her hair done different ways. And there's a big special day, and so she wants to get her hair done. And it talks about how her dad's trying to help her with her hair, but he's like not necessarily as good at it. She's not like super happy with any of his hairstyles, but they end up working together and watching, it looks like they watch like a YouTube video or some kind of tutorial, and then he does an awesome job on her hair. It looks beautiful, and then her mama comes home and sees it. So I love this story. A lot of these books too that I've been ordering, these picture books, are really cool because I can read them to my daughter Madison, and then I can also bring them into school and read them with my students. So I love being able to share these types of books, not just with my students at school, but also with my daughter at home. All right, I am going to pick up everything here and then do a little bit more editing until the kids wake up. Hi, Hiyo, what you doing? Hiyo, cutie. Hiyo, what you doing? Huh? I love you. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. we are heading over to my parents' house to go swimming and have dinner. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like vlog style videos like this one, let me know down in the comments and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.